Hi, we're team number 5, and we are Yadira Alexandra Estrada Leal, role of design, Ian Gerardo Garcia Rodriguez, role of mechanics, Alejandra Desiree Garcia Zamudio, role of research, Romina Montserrat Martinez Martinez, role of research, Evelyn Martinez Nevares, role of design, and Amelie Berenice Mata Ortiz, role of documentation. And our teacher is Karen Araceli Gonzalez Gonzalez.
Ecological sustainability means taking care of the environment so nature stays healthy. It involves using natural resources like water, forest, soil, and animals responsibly without wasting them. We choose the problem of water pollution in the Topo Chico stream because it affects workers and students and close neighbors in San Nicolás de los Garza, so we develop a solution for that.
The name of the robot is Streambot. Okay, the robot components. Mechanical system. Chassis, it can be of plastic or aluminum. Wheels, DC motor, motor support. Front scoop, it could be of plastic or metal. Storage container, and shafts and screws. In the control system, we have a microcontroller, motor driver, a battery, a power cables, and switch. Perception system. Infrared sensor, which is gonna detect the trash, ultrasonic sensor for the distance, and a camera, but that could be optional. In the communication system, it could be Bluetooth or Wi-Fi model.
First, we would like to investigate more about the case we are working, and according to that, we investigate ways to collect the garbage and toxic substances from the stream. Based on the information already collected and how we can build the robot, we began to design it in the Tinkercad application. The robot, we added a clamp so that it can grab the large garbage and accompanied by a match to deposit the garbage there. It also has a vacuum cleaner on the bottom for small garbage and toxic substances, accompanied by a box on top to deposit the garbage there.
Our proposed solution is the development of a robot capable of automatically identifying and collecting waste from the stream, thereby reducing pollution and supporting municipal cleaning efforts in the Topo Chico stream. The robot will be capable of detect and classify common types of waste and chemical residues, such as plastic, paper, metal, and toxic liquids, both on the water surface and near the shore. Here are some images about it.
The most challenging software issues we faced were managing the specific functions we wanted it to perform at each time, so that the robot could identify trash and know when to pick it up and what to pick up, and or to use the vacuum depending on its side. Then programming it to put everything in the trash compartment until it gets filled. Another software issue we faced was getting the robot to and from the water and programming it to navigate through the river. The specific software that we use are two types: essential movement commands that are the DC motor chip, which controls the wheels or tracks, the forward command, the turn command, which move the robot, and the delay chip, which tells it how long to keep moving before the next instruction. And then we have the grabbing commands, which is powered by a servo motor. We have the servo chip, which helps move it to a specific angle or step. Open, which lets the servo open. Close, that sets the servo to pinch an object. And the delay chip to give the physical arm enough time to reach the position before the next move.
Description of the robot sections. The robot main function is to detect and remove waste from the stream. It navigates through the area using program movement and avoiding obstacles like rocks and plants. The robot uses a sensor to identify pollution and activate its collection system. A mechanical arm or screw gathers the trash and stores it inside the robot. Once the container is full, the robot returns to a specific location to unload the waste already collected. This helps protect the environment and improves water quality.